Welcome. I'm going to try something different this time. Let me take you on a journey with me. This car is getting fairly old, going on 13 years. I want it to feel like new again. I know it will never get to that place again, but I will try to get it there. There are a couple of pressing issues that I'm working on, and I would like to take you along for the journey. Feel free to comment on your thoughts of what you would do different, or if I did the right thing. I know I can improve, and I would like your input. One issue I have is a squeaking noise I get when going over speed bumps. This happens mainly when the car is first driven, and goes away over time of driving for a while. I tried spraying the sway bar bushings with silicone, thinking it was squeaking by rotating while going over the bumps. I have already replaced the lower control arms recently, for other reasons. Here's the previous video of that. It doesn't seem to make the sound if I just push down on the car to activate the suspension. The squeaks seem to get better after spraying the bushings, so I replaced them. The hardest part about this job was getting around the electric power steering motor that's right above my hand here. I just had to use a myriad of tools to try to get it to work around it.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Run it back again. Light it up, represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent, had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. People in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, in the back, in the back. For the people in the back, 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 back. For the people in the back, 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 back. For the people in the back, for the people in the back, for the people in the Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
So here's the old bushing. And to be honest, it's not too bad. It has a little bit of residual, what looks like glue on it, but it's in the correct shape, and comparing it to the new one, they're around the same size. Just looks a little dirty. I wouldn't say that these were bad.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You escaped from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life's been till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, 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 freak me.
So the driver's side here was much harder. I had to find a contraption of tools that would work in a smaller area. This is what I came up with. Now, after doing this repair, it did not fix the squeaking problem, so it was not the bushings. What do you think would make us squeak while going over speed bumps? I think the next thing I should try to do to remove this sound is probably the top of the struts. There's a bushing in there that could possibly squeak, but it could also be the springs in the struts. So, I don't know. Thank you for watching.